Hey guys, my name is Chunger and I want to show you the craziest thing ever. I found this iPhone 4 in a bar and it looked a little bit strange somehow. I tried to connect it to my computer, but it really didn't work. So I opened it up and it was like, whoa! It has 19 pins instead of 30. Everyone knows what that means. It's got to be an iPhone 5 prototype. I started playing around jailbreaking and stuff, and I asked myself, what's the thing about 19 pins? Why not 80 or 20? The 19th pin's got to be something really special. The 19th pin is something I call the digital to real life connector. This is the Internet of Things, and it works like this. See? It's connected to the lights. Try this. It put on the water in the bathroom. And I can even control the temperature. Oops, the wrong bathroom. Now, this is really freaky. Check this out. Ooh. Doesn't it look like me? Okay, it's still a prototype. Now this was crazy. The real iPhone 5 will be even crazier. Just keep an eye on this channel.